Hello student, let's find zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8. We need two numbers whose product is minus 8 and sum is minus 2. When we break the equation, we found x minus 4 whole into x plus 2 equal to 0. That implies x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 4, x equal to minus 2. Zeros are 4 and minus 2. Let's verify. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 8. So sum equal to 4 plus minus 2, that equal to 2. We know sum of zeros equal to minus b by a, that implies minus of minus 2 by 1 equal to 2. Then product equal to 4 into minus 2, that equal to minus 8. Product of zeros is c minus a, that equal to minus 8 by 1, that equal to minus 8. That's verified.